Welcome to Tech and Leaf channel Excel tutorial. In this video we are going to cover sorting a list, single level, multi-level, custom level. First we will sort single column, first name. So we have to select cell from the column which we are doing sorting and then go to data and choose either ascending or descending. Here we will do ascending. So I am selecting A to Z. You can see first column sorting is done based upon alphabet. Next we will discuss sort multiple column. In this we will sort first name and last name. For better understanding of this topic, I will create 3 more columns which have same first name as 4th row and rest all details different. Data entry part I am not covering in this video. You can see from 4th to 7th row first name is same and last name is different. For sorting we have to go to same path, data, sort and filter. From that this time we have to select sort. Once you select sort you will get a pop-up sort. In that you can see sort by option and by default it has taken first name because we have already sorted first name. You have an option for sort on, we have done by cell value, and order that we have done A to Z. And for adding one more sort we have to click on add level which have a plus sign. We will get one more line for sorting. Here we can take last name on cell value A to Z. First you can see sort by first name and its detail and then by. So here first sorting will be done on first name based on cell value A to Z, that is ascending to descending, and then last name will be sorted based on cell value in ascending to descending. And we also have an option here, down arrow and up arrow, to decide which column should be sorted first. After that press OK. First column is sorted with ascending to descending and then by last name from ascending to descending. Now we can discuss third topic, custom list. We will be using joining date column to discuss custom list. For this you will have to go to data, sort. When you click on sort you can see sort pop-up and on right hand side you can see my data has headers, checkbox is checked. That is the reason in sort by you can see first name. When you click drop down menu you can see all the header name is available. And if you uncheck this checkbox then you can see sort by has changed to column details. To explain this I will check the checkbox. In column sort by I will be selecting joining date and sort on cell value, and order it is written oldest to newest, that is joining date it will be selecting from ascending to descending in the format oldest to newest. But once you click here you can see a third option, custom list. I am going to select custom list. Once you click OK, you will get another pop-up, custom list. In custom list, you are having 4 entries, that is 2 for days and 2 for months. As we are going to sort joining date table based on month, I am selecting third choice and I am clicking OK. Once I click the drop down, you can see automatically I am having one more option here, that is I can choose from Jan to December or I can choose from December to Jan. I am choosing here Jan to December only. After that I am clicking OK. Joining date column is sorted based on month from Jan to December. For the lowest year first, then next year and finally the last year. The starting joining date of 09th year and end is for 18th. Thank you for watching. Follow us on any of the platform or connect us directly to www.techinleaf.com.